India government ki National Institution for Transforming India NITI Aayog na ngasi dagi tha ahum chupna haibadi July 3 dagi September 13 fauba chathagadaba Sampoornata Abhiyan campaign gi damak leibak asigi district chamaga taranithoi amasung block chamga khangatpada Manipur gi Chandel district su yaorakpdagi district asida su ngasi Sampoornata Abhiyan hounabi matung inna district asigi deputy commissioner Mayanglambam Rajkumar IAS na launch Toukhre Sampoornata Abhiyan campaign manung asida leibak asigi khangatlaba district chamaga taranithoi da aspirational district program haina miyoi bagi haksel amasung leibak leihauga mari leinaba tongan ba maru oiba indicator taruk ta yumfam oiraga district adu hanagi fibam dagi fagat hanaba pandam thamli masiga chap manana leibak asigi block chamnga dasu hanadagi henna fibam fagatnaba pandam da Sampoornata Abhiyan asi chathagadori ngasi Chandel district ki deputy commissioner ki office complex ta leiba mini secretariat ki multi-purpose hall da pangthokiba Sampoornata Abhiyan launch tawbagi thoram aduda DC Mayanglambam Rajkumar IAS ADC Chandel MD Firoz Khan MCS SDO Kengjoy MD Gayatruddin Khan SDO Chakpi Karong MD Tajuddin CMO Chandel Dr. Matthew Joyson Monsang DPO Chandel Prativa Kumanthem ZEO Chandel Yumnam Hemchan District Agriculture Officer Chandel TS Gladeni Monsang na Presidium members sing oina saruk yaki thauram aduda wangangladuna DC Mayanglambam Rajkumar na Sampoornata Abhiyan gi kanaba sing macha khaina thamki loinana Chandel district ki DLO singna tha ahum asida masak thokpa thabak sing paikhatuna campaign asi mai paknaba hotnaminasi Sampoornata asi system ama oina tungkoina thamhausi haiba appeal tawki ngasi gi thauram aduda tongan ba DLO singna Sampoornata Abhiyan gi manung challiba hiram singda macha khaina wangangki thauram aduda Chandel district ki laumi khara dasu soil health card sing yen thoki ngasi gi thauram aduda Chandel district ki asa sing Angalwadi workers sing amadi mahairoi amasung CSO singi luchingba sing su saruk yaki
but remaining 50 is registered tawdabana maram oiraga identify tawdabana maram oiraga moigi phangpam thokpa SNP du phangdriyebako that is another angle I'm just highlighting adoi taragadi ekoi health ka ICDS ka si tongan thabak tawbinaba yaroi punna village tumagi heng medic control tawriba medical officer block to medical officer the report jorko matamda for that particular village 55 pregnant women sigi clusters de lai hai taragadi same number should be reported along with the exact names by the ICDS team also sab managadawni number mo manaba yai mi khenar magadi amuk la ko aduna number su managadawni mi su chumgadawni both by ICDS and medical team aina high river masigi pochi thabak oina on thokpada waba yai but you start with few villages aduga thawa yauba asas and anganwadi workers and village level worker du singkhalo aduga kamaina masi single platform amada mkhoi si converse tawra aga thabak tawhalakani aduga chap manaba result si report si kamaina puthorakani haibisi akoi yengminna seba ko madu few villages ta tawhanba matamda ahwanba matamda madugi learnings to koine adopt tawre haraga we can expand accordingly to all the remaining villages madu koi target to yai now the other side is school gi textbook si matam chana koi gi 100% p haidna 100% you saw the indicator indicator do 100% p haina lai see they have been doing excellent work ko moi thawag yam phajan tawre sahi amadagi sahi amada pirakadoini ko sahi se academic session amumuk lakpa matam dane ba textbooks amumuk pira isi amuk tang miss tawbada whole cycle lama miss tawdine ba ana 100% piraga leidibisi fail oidana ba secondly if there are any underlying issues yes books huna pirakpagi or mat check hidang thengthana piraga su ai gi reporting da ai 100% jawre haina di report tawri eba ko sigi 100% si thamoina yaraba 100% la haibasi I would like Jetio and his team to ask masi ai gi thamoina yaraba 100% la lapses lairibra manungda if there are any lapses adoi taragadi madugi lapses laiba step makhaido highlight tawbirau madu highlight tawraga we can and we should approach our seniors and authorities so that they also prioritize their resources and time to us so that system anova ama tholakpa yabra haibagi plan tawbi yai